ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ಸರ್ವಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ತೊಲಗಬೇಕು ತೊಲಗಲೇಬೇಕು
ತೊಲಗಲೇಬೇಕು ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ತೊಲಗಲಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ತೊಲಗಲಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ತೊಲಗಲಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ತೊಲಗಲೇಬೇಕು ತೊಲಗಲೇಬೇಕು
ತೊಲಗಲೇಬೇಕು ತೊಲಗಲೇಬೇಕು
ಸರ್ವಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ತೊಲಗಲಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ನಿರಂಕುಶ ಪ್ರಭುತ್ವ ಮೋದಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ತೊಲಗಲಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ತೊಲಗಲಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ತೊಲಗಲಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ತೊಲಗಲಿ ತೊಲಗಲಿ
ಬಹುಮತವಿಲ್ಲದ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ದೇಶದಿಂದ
ತೊಲಗಲೇಬೇಕು
ಸರ್ವಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮೋದಿ ತೊಲಗಲೇಬೇಕು ತೊಲಗಲೇಬೇಕು
ತೊಲಗಲೇಬೇಕು ತೊಲಗಲೇಬೇಕು
Lower court, they clearly told there are no proofs against Arvind Kejriwal, and it is simply because they are just want to put Arvind Kejriwal behind the bars. They are delaying all the proceedings in ED. So court has clearly told there are no proofs, even though there are no proofs, and they got the stay from the High Court. And also immediately when Supreme Court was about to give an order regarding the bail, it was like almost like Arvind Kejriwal was coming out. At that time, CBI has come into picture. I think 1 year back, CBI has asked Arvind Kejriwal to come to the CBI office. Arvind Kejriwal spent 9 hours in CBI office to answer all their questions, all their doubts. After 2 years, they are coming back and arresting and saying that there is a corruption. So all the 2 years, CBI, what is CBI is doing? CBI and ED are the independent agencies of the country. They have their own respect. But today, in last 10 years, they have lost all the respects, and they are clearly working for Narendra Modi and the BJP office.
So you're saying it's a conspiracy against your leader?
Exactly, this is the conspiracy. They are saying excise policy case, right? And where is the corruption? From past 2 years, they have been interrogating, they have been doing thousands of raids. Not even a single rupee has been recovered. Not even a single rupee ka money trail has been identified. They're just simply saying that Arvind Kejriwal has stayed in a lavish hotel in Goa for the election. So how much the hotel expenses are going to be? Are the hotel expenses are going to be hundreds of crores? And they are saying the money is being used in Goa. So where is the money trail? So even a common man now asking, where is the money? Where is the excise policy money? So there is no corruption at all. BJP and Narendra Modi are afraid of Arvind Kejriwal's popularity and Aam Aadmi Party's rapid growth. So that is the only reason they want to put Arvind Kejriwal behind the bars. And in next 5 months, the Delhi elections are coming up. So that is also one of the reasons why they want Arvind Kejriwal behind the bars even for the Delhi elections. It is pretty sure that they are going to lose very badly in the Delhi Assembly elections, and they are doing all these tactics only to put Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party behind the bars.
Our country has got into such a situation that we are into a dictatorship government. When the courts are functioning so wrongly, when Yediyurappa had a POSCO case, they say that Yediyurappa is not Tom, Dick and Harry. Is Arvind Kejriwal a Tom, Dick and Harry? And when he is arrested and he is kept in ED and in custody, why is ED not doing its job? Let him find what mistake Arvind Kejriwal has done and bring the charge sheet against him. But when the court was about to give him bail, and one court already gave him a bail, immediately the higher courts will come up and they will say it should be on hold, and then CBI immediately goes in the night and arrests him. So what is happening in our country? Our country is going to such a dictatorship under a Tanasha government, India government. People have taught them a lesson, they have lost their majority, but still they are showing their dictatorship, which is not good for this country.
Is that the reason you're staging protest?
Yes, we are staging the protest against this India government, which is doing partiality and using the agencies to arrest the chief ministers of a state. Arvind Kejriwal being an elected leader, and they are not supposed to arrest him, and after arresting they are not doing proper things on that, and they are taking agencies and taking him into custody again and again. So I would request the people of the country to wake up and see what is happening. When the country's students, 25 lakh students are under NEET problems, the government is not addressing that. They are not taking actions on that. But coming back to this, so I would say that this is not the way the country has to be run. The agencies should be given its freedom to take things on its proper manner and work on it.
ಬಿಜೆಪಿ
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ